Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to find the privacy policy of the Capcut application. So every application must have this privacy policy to guarantee the user that the application is safe to use. And now we just need to go visit the Capcut. And after you visit the Capcut, this will be the look, and make sure that you are stay in the edit section. In this edit section, you need to take a look on the top right corner. You will see this button. So this iconic will be bring you into the settings section. And in the settings section, you just need to scrolling down, and you will see the privacy and policy of the Capcut here. And then you just need to go click it to explore the privacy policy of the Capcut, and you just need to read everything about this application and make sure that you understand every information that written by the Capcut here. So that's the way how to find the privacy policy of Capcut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.